Hi guys, this is Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of November 15th, 2011. The charts in the presentation come from the Trade Navigator software. And the first chart is our weekly bonds. Bonds have gone sideways for most of the month of November, which is actually true of all the financial markets. Uh, it looks like this area right in here, which is, it's approximately 142.08. Between there and 142.20, that seems to be resistance at this point. If they can get popping through there, I think they can take out these highs and possibly go up here to 145.08. But there's still a chance that they could drop back down here to the 139.20 area, or even get weak enough to get to 137.10. I wish I had a real clear picture of what they're likely to do. They seem to be essentially at the whim of whatever news and rumors come out of Europe these days. Our own economic reports don't have near the impact as, again, innuendo from Europe. But it looks like they should try to go higher here. I'm just not convinced. And again, it's hard to see from this weekly chart, but the whole month of November has just kind of been between 139.20 and 143.04. So hard to see any direction coming in there just now. And unfortunately, the same thing is true in stocks. You can see this week so far has been relatively tight. We're looking at the 1252 area is the green line here, and they're just sort of playing around either side of that. Uh, they could make a move up here to 1277, or they could make a move down here to about 1217. I'd like to see them up here at 1277. I think there are some good selling opportunities here because at this point I'm still not expecting them to take out this high, or if they do, they shouldn't do it by more than a marginal amount. I think what we're seeing on the daily chart, which I'm unfortunately not showing you, but it just looks like this, only longer kind of sideways. I think we're seeing distribution setting up around this top to roll back over here, but they haven't shown any signs of the timing of that yet. Volume has been awfully anemic in stocks, and I think we're just sort of waiting for somebody to come in and actually start selling them or buying them. I mean, it could go both ways, but I think they'll start selling them, and they ought to have a pretty serious directional move once they get any serious volume generated. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for looking to see what we think, and we'll maybe try this again next week.